Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and today in this Windows 7 tips and tricks we're going to show you how to install Mozilla Firefox web browser for Windows 7. Now, the reason why people want to choose another browser, there's a lot of reasons. Some are personal, some are because some browsers are better than others. Even though, in 2015 I find that Firefox is not the best, it's still a good choice, and a lot of people use Firefox every day around the world. To get Firefox, all you have to do is simply use the web browser you have right now, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, and you can go on the top in the address bar and just type www.mod Mozilla Mozilla.org, and just press enter. Now, I prefer to have the address directly there than going to Google and searching for it, because there are too many websites that want to lure you into downloading a piece of software from their spot, and in the process you get a lot of junk and malware. So by typing the address directly in the address bar, it's the best thing you can do. Now, I have a download Firefox little green thing right here on the right side. If this might change, you never know. So if you don't see it, at least there's Firefox on the top. You can also click, and this will bring you to the Firefox download page. So just look through the page and you'll find the Firefox browser. They also have an excellent email client called Thunderbird. So if you want to use some kind of email client, Windows 7 does not come by default with an email client, so you might want to have a good one. And frankly, Mozilla's Thunderbird is also a good choice. So click that green Firefox free download, and once it's here, you should get a download that will start at the bottom. I see it here. Click run on the file. Yes for the installer. And once you are here, you can actually close your browser window and just leave that install window. There's a little check mark that says make Firefox my default browser. So if you plan to use only Firefox and always Firefox, that is a good idea. You can leave the little check mark to make my Firefox my default browser. Click install, and now you will have a Firefox download that's going to progress. This usually goes fast if you have a fast internet connection, but I've seen times when maybe the link where the download comes from is no good, where it's very, very slow. So just give it time to download, and you'll be able to enjoy Firefox after a few minutes. Firefox browser was once the most popular browser, or almost the most popular browser in the world, but it's lost a little bit of its space in the web. And so here it says they want to import options, bookmarks, and so on from Internet Explorer. If you've been using Internet Explorer and you have bookmarks and all sorts of details that you want to import, you can leave it at import. I'll prefer a clean install and say don't import anything, and I'll click next. Once it's done, you are good to go, as you have finally your Firefox web browser. So you have a little quick tour if you want, or you can click not now. So by default now you've got a icon for Mozilla Firefox, which is kind of a fox around the earth. So Mozilla Firefox with its own search engine page. If you prefer, you can go into the hamburger menu on the right and just click on options. Here you'll see that the home page, you can actually put your own home page. I'll put google.ca. Click OK, and here goes. You now have google.com if you want as a start page, instead of having the regular Mozilla Firefox page on the browser. If you enjoy our videos, want to subscribe to our channel, you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a problem, maybe you have something you want us to make a video about, let us know. Android, iOS with iPad, iPhone, Windows, pretty much any versions, and maybe Mac. And we'll try to help you if possible. Thanks for watching.